Take a picture of mommy. Take a picture of mommy. Look. Cheese. It's JP cam. It's a JP cam. Take a picture of Heath. Point it at Heath.
JP, what do you say when you take a picture?
Are you taking it of Heath?
Cheese.
Take it of Heath.
JP, say cheese.
Cheese. Okay, give Mama the camera.
Cheese. Now.
Put his finger on it. Okay, give Mommy the camera.
Cheese.